Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're embarking on a real cosmic detective story. And get this, it's unfolding right now, millions of miles away at the very edge of our solar system. Just imagine you're looking out into the darkest, coldest reaches of space. You think we've got a pretty good map of the territory, right? And then, boom, the universe throws a massive curveball. That's exactly what scientists are dealing with today. We're looking at a brand new, absolute mystery that's literally challenging everything we thought we knew about our neighboring worlds. So, scientists have just detected something that is completely baffling them. I mean, a total head-scratcher. It's a brand new, unexplained cosmic anomaly. You see, when astronomers look at light bouncing off distant worlds using spectroscopy, they're basically reading a barcode. Those spectral absorption lines tell them exactly what a world is made of. But recently, they scanned the very edges of our solar system and found a barcode that, well, it simply doesn't exist in any of our databases. It's like a phantom signature whispering from the dark, telling us there's something out there we've never, ever seen before.
Section 1. The crime scenes. A new cosmic mystery.
Okay, let's dive into this. We've got a tale of two vastly different, yet equally extreme worlds. On one hand, you've got Pluto, right? That distant, famously icy dwarf planet hanging out at the freezing fringes of our solar system, where temperatures are hovering near absolute zero. And then on the other side, there's Titan, Saturn's massive moon wrapped in a thick atmospheric haze and covered in literal lakes of liquid methane. Now, what makes this so wild is that despite being completely different types of celestial bodies in completely different orbits, they're sharing the exact same cosmic secret. They're both incredibly harsh, incredibly distant, and they're the active crime scenes for a new mystery.
Moving on to Section 2. The clue. The unknown chemical signature.
So, the spectroscopic data came down, they ran the analysis, and an unknown chemical signature was detected on both of these distinct worlds at the exact same time, which of course leaves us with the ultimate question. What is this mysterious signal?
Now, what's really interesting about this is that the answer is just a resounding blank. This signal doesn't match any known chemical we've ever observed there before. Just think about that for a second. We actually have really extensive catalogs of the chemistry we expect to find in space. We know what water ice looks like, we know simple gases, we know the spectral lines of common hydrocarbons. But this mysterious signal, it's a total mismatch with all of our current data for these worlds. It is entirely unprecedented. Since it's not a known chemical, scientists are kind of forced to think outside the box here. First off, it highly suggests the presence of complex, previously unidentified compounds. We aren't just talking about a stray atom here or there. We're talking about complex structures that completely defy our expectations. And this is especially shocking because extreme cold usually slows down chemical reactions to practically a halt. So where are they lurking? Well, they could be hiding right out in the open, baked solid onto the icy crusts of both Pluto and Titan. Or they could be swirling around, existing high up in their alien atmospheres. Whether it's frozen onto the surface or floating in the air, these unknown compounds are fundamentally changing how we map these worlds.
Section 3. Chemistry in extreme environments. Why this discovery matters.
So the crucial point is that this anomaly raises two massive foundational scientific questions. First, could this discovery reveal entirely new insights into the chemistry of the outer solar system? By identifying this compound, we might literally have to rewrite the textbooks on what ingredients are actually floating around out there in the deep freeze of space. Second, and honestly, perhaps even more mind-blowing, could this help us better understand how organic molecules form in extreme environments? Organic molecules are those complex carbon-based structures that serve as the building blocks for so much of the chemistry we actually care about. If complex, unidentified organic compounds are somehow forming in the harshest, coldest environments imaginable, that's a massive paradigm shift. It completely changes our perspective on how resilient and creative the chemistry of the universe really is.
Finally, Section 4. The open investigation. The universe's unsolved secrets.
And this brilliantly illustrates a really humbling realization. Every new discovery reminds us that the universe still holds countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. Just when we think we've got a solid handle on the outer solar system, Pluto and Titan team up to throw us an entirely new chemical signature we never even anticipated. It's just an awe-inspiring reminder that we're really only at the very beginning of mapping the cosmos. The dark stretches of space aren't empty, they are full of puzzles just waiting for our technology and our curiosity to catch up.
I hope this explainer helped you grasp just how dynamic and surprising our solar system really is. But hey, the investigation isn't closed yet, and I really want to hear your hypotheses.
What do you think this mysterious chemical could be? Are we looking at a completely new type of ice? A bizarre atmospheric gas? Drop down into the comments below and share your thoughts. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.